Hello everyone. To make a fraction in Google Docs, we can use three different methods. First one, and easy one, just write your number with a slash. For example, number 1 slash number 2 and a space. As you see, our number convert to fraction by Google Docs. Another example, 2 slash 5 space. As you see, this number also convert to fraction. Second method, for that on the top click on insert, and from this menu click on special characters. Now in search box write fraction. Now as you see, in result section you can choose your fraction. For example, this one. You can add more or based on your needs and close the window. For another one, again follow these steps. Insert special characters and search fraction and choose your fraction. In third method, again click on insert. This time click on equation. And now as you see a new toolbar, and click on math operation. Click on the first one. Now on the top and below write your number. For example, on the top 2 and below 5. After that click next to that box. If you want to add another fraction, click on new equation. Again click on math operation. Click on fraction, and again put your number on the top and below on that box, and click on next that numbers. I hope this video was useful for you. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.